How to share and export bookmarks from Google Chrome on Android. Hello everybody, if you are wondering how, you may follow this method. So go ahead and open up Chrome, and once you open up Chrome, you should be finding this interface. So in order to view the bookmark, at the top right corner, you should be finding three dots. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, from the given menu, select the option that says Bookmarks. Tap on it, the one with the star. And once you tap on it, here you will be finding your bookmarks, all of them. So all you gotta do is tap on the bookmark that you wanna copy. Let's say this one right here. So after you open up the URL, tap on the three dot again. And then you may go ahead and tap on the option called share. This one right here, tap on it. And then you may select the method from which you want to share it. So that is it. That is how you basically share and export bookmarks from Google Chrome on Android. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.